You might be looking to build a custom software for your business, but you're not sure what kind of features you should have. Maybe you've been using a tool for a while now, but you realize that it's not really fitting your needs, that you need something more custom to you and your business needs. What kind of features should you have? There's three main points that to keep in mind when you're looking at what kind of features to include in this custom app. One very important thing to keep in mind is, or to ask yourself, have you tried other tools? Most of the time, this is yes, because that's the whole reason you're building a custom tool, because you've tried other tools. What have you tried already? Why hasn't it been working for you? What have you been doing to try to get it to work? What kind of processes have you been doing to try to make it custom to you, but you've noticed that it's not working to you? These are all things to keep in mind, especially when you're communicating with the developer or the person who's building it for you, because they can then go to that tool. They can copy your same process, or they can watch you do that process, and they can say, okay, this is how you're doing it, but I can see how we can make this easier, more custom for you. They can also look at those tools, and most of the time they can understand how these tools were built. So it will also make it easier for them when building your custom app, because they understand what you've already been using, what you already may be used to. So other tools that you've been using is very important to keep in mind, especially when you're communicating these new features that you want to include. Another important thing to keep in mind when looking what features to have is, why do you need that specific feature? Why do you need this thing in your custom app? How is it going to help you? With this feature, is it going to help you in this way, or is it going to help you in this way? So knowing why you need this feature is also going to help the person or the developer building the software for you understand how to make it more custom to you, because they understand your needs. The third thing to keep in mind when looking at what features to have in any custom software is what this feature is going to do for you. What are some of the benefits that it can bring to you? How is this feature that is going to be custom built going to actually help or improve your business? So these are just three. There's many other things that you want to keep in mind, but these are three that I wanted to highlight. When you're looking to build a custom software for your business, three things to keep in mind. Have you tried other tools? What tools have you tried? Why aren't they working? What kind of processes have you been already doing? Why do you need this software? Is it urgent? Why are any of the previous solutions not working? And how do you think this feature can help improve your business? And that also leads to our third point. What can this feature do for you? So if you've been thinking about building a custom software for your business, you're looking to get started, you're looking to maybe just bounce some ideas, ask some questions, you can come to a website here, zqdo.info. If you come to About, we have some of our services here, and we also have our email here, as well as some of our work on previous projects. So if you're interested in learning more about building a custom software, see what it would take, see whether what you are looking to build, some of the things that would come into play into that, or what would need to be done to get that idea built, or if you want to ask any questions, just come to our website here, or you can send me an email at zqdo.tech@gmail.com, and I'll try to help the best I can. But I hope this video was able to help you understand a little bit about knowing what features to add to your custom app or your custom software for your business.